The middle school also has a state-of-the-art stage, sound, and lighting system that not many other middle schools have. The band room is located behind the stage for easy access during performances. Mr. Adam Albright, the choir director here at the middle school, actually helped design the entire music hallway. He even designed his room to be the same width of the stage so that his students would get used to how much room they will have on stage.
Yeah, this facility is amazing. We are very lucky to have a facility that has 3 separate rooms, band, choir, and orchestra, so that we can have full rehearsals, have our groups in here. So much different than it was at 3 different middle schools. So we're just very lucky and very blessed to have these spaces here. In addition to our space, we also have our drama area and our theater area, our performing arts center, which we have concerts in there and productions in there. And it's a wonderful 700-seat auditorium that most schools in this area do not have a facility like this. So yeah, state of the art all the way around. It's really, really awesome.